So yeah, today, I don't know, welcome to the vlog. With the homie. You can't see, I feel like adjusting like the blurriness, but about to do, this is like, I wasn't gonna vlog because like, I'm so like behind and shit. I'm not gonna do a lot because I'm gonna do it like during the interview. But this shit is clean as fuck. She about that little life. Oh look, she gotta get, it's like, no,
Yo, I'm mad sure.
I know, yo.
I'm mad sure. My friends be making fun of me because I haven't get the top of my car whenever they with me. Talk about some baby gum. Nah, yo, get out my face, yo. I'll fight you.
Yo, you funny as shit.
You can't see nothing extra with the fucking window down. Like, it's raining, my guy. Put the fucking window up. Like, I couldn't tell if he was looking at me, my car, or my fucking bunny. Like, I didn't know what he was looking at.
What the fuck? These people all have... Oh, damn, fuck, I missed it. She was dancing, y'all.
Nah, yo,
Hey, we out here. Honda
Gang,
gang. Hey!
bro, that's this truck.
Oh, look, where he
This
go?
is what we're not about to do. Watch.
Then like he has all this space, but he wants to come close to my car. Like that's the shit I hate. And then like, hold up. What she was talking about, he was like sitting like right there, and like pretty much trying to tell her to move. But clearly we can do an interview.
Anyway, like whether he liked it or not, I was not moving. Like he clearly saw me, and I was like, yes, I see you. I know you see me, and I know you see the rest of this parking lot. Like,
yo,
go around. Go around. Like, where else? There's no other cars in this parking lot. Unless you hit that pole right there, you are gonna be completely fine. I promise. Go around.
Cause he came all the way from back there where you can go.
He ain't like that. I wasn't moving.
These mofos in
It
Maryland.
really better stop raining, cause we just up.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of people say that about the Maryland.
Yo, Maryland weather is terrible.
No, I mean
Absolutely
like,
terrible.
yeah.
So bipolar. I'm gonna drive over there and see what's going on over there, because a lot of people are going over there right now.
For real? Hey, this is Mello. This is what she does.
I mean, so random, yo. You want me to? My stock ass car.
Are you?
Whoever these guys are, Goon Squad. Whoever Goon Squad is. Whoever Goon Squad is, they gave my lanyard. It's mad cool. Like, he was cool. He was like, you want a lanyard? I was like, I'll take it. Cool. I usually got my Lowered Lifestyle one, but Lowered Lifestyle doesn't want to sponsor me.
Oh, sponsor Mello.
It's fine, though. It's fine. I even got my jacket and everything, like, Lowered Lifestyle. All day.
For the vlog, her link will be down below.
Yo, Lowered Lifestyle sponsored me. Sponsor me.
Do
Sponsor
it.
me. Nah, alright, what am I doing?
You passes.
Stop breaking stuff? I'll stop breaking
No, 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 no.
I'll break stuff for you.
Hold up, rev it again. Gay is wet. That's what she said.
Wet. I only like him when she wet.
Hey, look, you see? Yo, we gotta go to that gay bar, yo.
I've never been to a gay bar. I've never been to a bar. I've been to a bar. I haven't been to like a DC bar or nothing like that before.
I say out of DC.
So do I, for real.
I know a bar in Laurel. Like, it's a gay bar. They got some great ass burgers.
Bro.
You trying to go?
Out here?
It's in Laurel.
Oh, that's all the fucking
Not
thing.
now.
I was about to say, yeah, when we go up,
Hey.
we go up and find that, what you call him? That
X. The Vic say when he going?
I don't know. We need to go sometime soon because I want to see that joke.
Yo, that's what they be doing. Only thing is, like, some days, like, they'll be doing.
For real?
Oh, I gotta block that out.
They're gonna be like, where? I'm gonna go over there and figure out what the hell is going on over there. There's a lot of people coming up. There's a lot of people up here for what is going on in the stadium? Like, there's stuff going on in the stadium?
Oh, it could be. 'Cause sometimes they could be doing that cross track. But they do it around here, though. I'm about to fucking drive around. But yo, once again, shout out to the homie Mello. Shout out to helping me put the stuff in the car. That was dope. But yo, she's funny as hell. Yo, it took us such a long time because, like, yo, she was cracking me up. Yo, her and Vic's Rex, yo, they were like the most funniest ones I've ever did. But yeah, I wish Vic's Rex was here because, like, we all could have got, like, maybe went to the bar and got a burger. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna end it. She said she's gonna call me when she get out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.